kalya first.
Daddy, that is the dog. That one.
They're eating chicken.
Dog family. It's in dog family. Oh, that's what you please. This table, okay?
Kamazeewo kati kagenda kugrabinga from him. Kabbye kadduse. He has stolen another piece.